I think it's just turbulence, I guess.
It's just turbulence that I look at.
Okay.
50%. Verify AS3X safe settings. Gear up. 50%. 50%.
Okay. Coming back.
— 50%.
Gotcha.
Ah.
50%. 50%. 50%. Time remaining to 50%.
I got some pictures in the sun
50%.
shining on it. When you were going this way.
50%.
I love the clouds.
50%. 50%. 25%. 50%. Fuel remaining 1 minute 9 seconds. 50%. 50%. 50%.
There you got those.
Warning, 30 seconds. 0. 25%. 10. 0.
Yeah, that's it. Thinks I got them.
25%. 0.
Oh yeah, I got them. Okey-dokey.
Warning, bomb release.
Whoa. That's not what I wanted you to do. Okay. I should have warned you, huh?
50%. 50%. Gear down.
Well, they come right down.
25%. 50%.
That nose was pointing up a little more than usual.
That was, you were right on the verge of stall.
I kind of felt that too.
25%. Gear up.
Out of the air.
Warning, bomb release. 50%.
See, now that was a stall.
Engaged.
Yep.
I think I was too slow when I transitioned over.
But it handled the stall really well.
Yeah.
50%.
It just floats. It says you got a chance to figure it out. Don't figure it out. It's not going to be pretty.
50%.
I like how it floats.
50%.
Yeah, it does. It seems to handle what was really nice.
Cool.
50%.
All right, now you're
0.
coming in.
All right, gotta land next.
Fuel remaining 1 minute 12 seconds.
Oh no, I got plenty of time. Okay, cool.
25, 50%.
Picking that up.
Well, I mean, just is crazy how much it picked.
25, 0. 0.
But that wind was making it kind of uncomfortable.
0. 0.
Alright, take it off again real quick.
Oh, look at that.
I ain't know.
50%.
Looks like I got a little rocking from the winds over the trees.
Yeah.
0. 25th time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh, that was interesting.
What'd you do if you didn't want to?
I wanted to climb up. I didn't want to do it. Kind of did a Harrier vertical. 50%. Time remaining 150%. Zero. 50%. Zero. 50%. 50%. I think it's just turbulence, I guess.
That's just turbulence that I can do.
Okay.
50%. 50%.
That's why I don't like to do
25%.
maintenance on Saturdays.
Twenty-five percent. 50%.
All right. Final approach.
8, 7, 50 for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Timer expired. Land immediate. 0.
I can use the wind to my advantage today.
Yeah, it worked very well.
Yeah. Power. Whoops, maybe not. Look at you.
Percent. 0. 50%. 50%.
And you can feel that wind pushing it.
G-force 5.34.
Oh, that's nice. That's probably because of the wind.
50%. 50%. 50%. G-force 4.35. Time remaining 2 minutes. G-force 4.65. 50%. 50%. 50%.
I'll go off the gear here. Oh,
That was beautiful.